Alright, another day, another video, and another part with the lawnmower saga. So, we've rewound the starter cord. I'm going to install it in the cover, and install the cover on the motor. And we're going to see if it starts. I'll be right back. Well, it's all back together. I'm about to try to start it. Well, let's just leave it like this. I don't have a tripod, so you get to look at the ground. But you might be able to hear it if it starts. Well, I don't know what you heard, but it started. So now we'll try to mow grass. Alright. We're going to see if we can mow some grass. Let me show you that area that it... No, I ain't going to do that. Alright, I'm going to try to mow some grass. Peace, guys.